Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Uri, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I was able to create these beautiful planters and show you step by step how you can incorporate these design elements in your workspace or in your homes.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
And I went to pick up the planters to start working on the plant arrangement. And to hold the plants in the planters, I'm going to be using the styrofoam that I got at a local flower shop. And then I'm going to take it home and spray paint them in black. This is the paint I used for the styrofoam. I'm gonna let it dry and give it a second coat. Now let me show you how I'm putting the styrofoam. These two are just going to give height to the other one that I'm putting on top. I am going to include in the description box all the materials and where I got them from. For some of these plants, I needed to cut them shorter before I put them together in the planters. And after I cut all of those, I'm putting the tallest one in the center of the planters. And then adding the short one all around, keeping them more or less the same height. It's a good idea to step back and see if everything's looking good before you move forward. For these two planters, it's going to be simpler. I'm just going to insert the stems in the middle. These are called eucalyptus plants, and these are the sansevieria, which are better known as snake plant. And as the final touch, I'm gluing all these black rocks on the top. And here they are with how much it costs to make them. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.